Hey everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner, and let me get delving right in it. You know, I PR for this company, so I have a PR code, and it is PRCRI318, and that will get you 20% off. And just don't forget that 10% of your order does go to child cancer research. She is very generous and loving, and I am so proud to be one of her PR girls, that she actually gives back and tries to help us find a cure for child cancer, which breaks my heart. So anyway, let's get into it. So the first thing I ordered, of course, because everybody knows I'm a football mom, is the football mellows. How cute. This was the PR freebie, and this was during, I can't remember, I want to say the TPC sale, the Planners Collaborative sale. So this was the freebie that you got. I actually got two because I ordered twice. And then here are the fall mellows. And it's actually called Mellow Hello Fall Stickers. So just so that I don't mess you up. And it says, thank you for supporting the Planner Collaborative sale. This was the August one. And this was the freebie that you got as well. And then this freebie was from Groovy Knees, Unorthodox Studio, Plan With It Stickers, Plan With Pizzazz, and then Sensibly Cute Planning. Very cute. And then I also got, I want to make sure I'm telling you right so that I don't lie to you guys, because this was actually two different orders. So okay, so I got the Thanksgiving countdown, which I love, the Halloween countdown, and the Christmas countdown. Oh, this is Fall Harvest. And here are your full boxes, and they're in foil. Look at those pumpkins, I love them. Your glitter headers, bottom washi, in quarter boxes, 2 quarter boxes right there, and again in glitter, or in foil. Glitter I said up here, but even the glitter header has foil on it. I don't know if you can tell. And then you have your sidebar, your half boxes, your heart check flags in 2 different sizes, your full heart check boxes in teardrops, your little things, your water trackers, your habit trackers, and functionals, your headers with your 3 heart check boxes, half boxes, and more functionals, your date flags, your date covers, your weekend banner, and then your scripts with your teardrops. And then more functionals with canceled, rescheduled, note, $2 Tuesday, So Cute Planner, new releases, and mellows. So you get quite a bit with her kits. A lot, actually. And this was for the Erin Condren, by the way. This is the mini foldable kit for the TN. I ordered this one. And this is the Autumn Fairy Tale. So there's your full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, appointment boxes, heart check flags, your little things to do, habit trackers, water trackers, and then your day covers, your dates, your washies, your functionals, heart check boxes, full and small, and then your sidebar habit tracker, payday, bill due, bill due, bill due. Isn't that cute? And it's perfect to fit into your TN. She already has it where it's folded so that it can go right there if you're ready to, you know, to get ready to use it. So I love that. Then I ordered the watercolor bow washi. I got like the 36-inch. So this is the bow washi. Is that not adorable? Look at that. How cute is that? So I ordered that. And then the second order that I ordered, she is now doing real glitter headers. And I am so excited about these because it's going to be hard for me just to do regular glitter headers now that I've seen these. But this was the PR freebie that I ordered, and this is actually one of her kits now. Even her freebies, you get a lot of stickers in. Alright, so let's get started because I'm really excited. These are the real rose gold headers. Make sure. Look how beautiful those headers are. And I don't know, can you hear that? And no glitter is coming off my finger. But look how beautiful those are. Absolutely gorgeous. So those are the rose gold. Those are the silver. This is the black. Thought that would be perfect for Halloween, fall. The teal blue, or excuse me, turquoise blue. Excuse me. The purple, another one I thought would be beautiful for fall or Halloween. Actually, yes. And then the gold. How beautiful. Are those not gorgeous? So that is what I ordered from, and I can't talk. Did you hear me just say that? This is what I ordered from So Cute Planner. Go check her out. You can get 20% off of your order. She's in a lot of sales, so check that out. Keep up with my Facebook and my Instagram, and I will let you know when the sales are going on, but you're not going to want to miss them because she's very generous in her sales as well. So go check her out. Use my code. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you back here soon. Don't forget, in my link tree is all the information that you will need. It will have my Facebook, my Instagram, everything, and the links to this company. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.